Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the mission Axiom 4 and about the spacecraft which is about to be launched. This mission is a very prestigious one for both NASA and SpaceX. This is also notably the fourth private space mission by Axiom Space in collaboration with NASA and SpaceX. Shubhanshu Shukla, who is from Indian Air Force, is going to lead this mission. The final destination of Axiom 4 mission is ISS, namely International Space Station. This is a very important current affair because Shubhanshu Shukla is third Indian to fly into space in 2025 after Rakesh Sharma in 1984 and Gopichand Totokora in 2024. Yes, he had boarded last year. The team led by Shubhanshu will board the Dragon spacecraft developed by Elon Musk's company SpaceX. The spacecraft will launch it from abroad. Falcon 9 rocket it will be launched from Kennedy Space Station in Florida. If we talk about the history of astronauts in space, there were already two Indian citizens in orbital flight. Rakesh Sharma in 1984 and now Shubhanshu Shukla in 2025. Also there were two PAO citizens, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, who had returned recently from space. In the past, as it has been given here, you can see in 1984 Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to enter space aboard the Soviet Soyuz T-11 rocket. He had been holding the title of going into space from India for over 40 years. Before recently, Gopichand Totokora became the second Indian to fly space abroad. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin's news shepherd 25. So after Gopichand Totokora, Shubhanshu Shukla is the one to fly into the space. We can see that he wore a tricolor flag on his arm. When Rakesh Sharma had boarded the first flight into space, it has been ordered that when the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked him how India looked from space, he famously replied, "Sare jahan se acha." This could be a notable question in any exam from current affairs. So coming to the present mission, Dragon spacecraft, which has previously been used to cargo deliveries, is now carrying astronauts. It is one of the significant reasons why this Axiom 4 mission is of great significance. So Shubhanshu will lead a diverse crew of 4 members written here as Piggy Whitson from USA, one from Poland and one from Hungary. So as the important points, this as I already said, it is a first private space mission by Axiom Space and it is a collaboration between Axiom Space, NASA and SpaceX. Shubhanshu Shukla will also join 5 collaborative NASA studies. The crew will reach the ISS after a 28-hour journey and they are going to last for 14 days on the space station. This is very important. They are going to last for 14 days in the space station. So before taking up the mission, Shukla has been trained by Axiom Space and also SpaceX. He is an expert in flying various fighter jets such as AN-34, AN-32, Jaguar, Hawk, MiG-21 and Su-30. This is very important information. So it is also mentioned that the list of this list includes Indian citizen Rakesh Sharma 1984 who is a direct Indian citizen, and American citizen with person of Indian origin PIO Kalpana Chawla in 1997 and 2000, American citizen and PIO Sunita Williams 2006, 2012 and 2024, and lastly PIO Sirisha Bandla 2021, and in 2024 Gopi Chand have went into space before Shubhanshu Shukla will be boarding this flight into space. So this may be a very important current affair. Also, there's a point that India has spent 500 crore to secure Shubhanshu Shukla's seat on this mission. So India has been given a collaboration into this mission, Axiom 4. Guys, so take a look into this Axiom 4 mission, as it might be a very important current affairs to any of the examinations. Thank you for viewing this video. We also provided with some questions on this mission. Let's take a look at these questions. So the questions are: how many years ago did Rakesh Sharma undertake a journey to space? Answer: Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to travel into space on April 3, 1984. Therefore, it has been 48 years and 2 months since his journey to space in 2025. Question 2. What is the call sign of Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla? The Lucknow-born Shukla goes by the call sign Suks, is a part of ISRO NASA-supported commercial space flight by Axiom Space, where all the customers are national governments. Question 3. Which countries are represented by the specialists Tiger Kapu and Slavoj Uznansky Wisniewski? Answer: Tibor Kapu represents Hungary and the other person represents Poland. How many days is the Axiom 4 mission planned to last? Following list of and a brief voyage through outer space, the astronauts selected for a private mission known as Axiom 4 are due to spend about 14 days in the International Space Station. The mission is planned to continue for 14 days. It is an important information. They will be staying there for 14 days. Who is the Indian astronaut participating in the Axiom 4 mission? Shubhanshu Shukla will travel to space on the Axiom 4 mission to conduct 7 experiments at the ISS. The mission also features astronauts from Poland and Hungary, with NASA's Peggy Whitson leading the team. What is the rescheduled launch date for Axiom 4 mission? Axiom 4 mission launch of space flight carrying India's Shubhanshu Shukla postponed to June 11th, which has been postponed again. It has not been launched yet. Yet, which rocket was planned to carry Axiom 4 mission from Kennedy Space Center? The Axiom 4 will use a SpaceX Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket to launch a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft into low Earth orbit. So, thank you for viewing this video. Hope it can help you in your exams. Please stay tuned for the next videos. There will be daily updates on our channel. Thank you.